When talking about lean belly breakthrough, it basically refers to a weight loss program which is specifically meant for women and men at the stage of 50 and above who want to lose some belly fat so that they cannot be victims of the associated health risks. In a nutshell, the program does not actually involve drugs, dieting, or any unnatural activity or substance. On that note, let's look at Lean Belly Breakthrough Review. What exactly is Lean Belly Breakthrough? Lean Belly Breakthrough is primarily a downloadable ebook or rather manual that claims to help you get rid of your stubborn belly fat. Additionally, the program was generally created by a fitness trainer named Bruce Graham. Bruce claims to have 15 years of experience in this field. Some of the major things that are contained in the Lean Belly Breakthrough package. How does the Lean Belly Breakthrough program work? One of the major claims made by Bruce about the program is that it is able to cut 1 to 3 inches of fat from your belly in as few as 14 days. On an important note, Lean Belly Breakthrough generally works by minimizing your consumption of bad cholesterol. All the recommended types of food in the program are essentially geared towards reducing the number of calories consumed for the purpose of maintaining a high health level. What is Lean Belly Breakthrough for? Anyone who essentially needs to lose some belly weight can purchase the program, but the system was designed for men and women aged 50 years and above. The program is much appreciated by the aged people because they are well conversant with most of the diet than the younger age. Key features of Lean Belly Breakthrough program. First, the program promises you to lose about 30 pounds in a month without necessarily having to engage yourself in vigorous exercise or use any harmful drugs. Provides you with fat melting and clearing tips to help you avoid the accumulation of cholesterol in your body. Third, offers you an entire list of herbs, food and spices to help you balance your hormones and importantly have a good health. 4. The program offers you a day-to-day monitoring process to help you track your progress and importantly revive your metabolism. Conclusion with the above discussion, it is undoubtedly that Lean Belly Breakthrough is a perfect program for anyone who needs to get rid of some belly fat. The effective program will help you do away with a few pounds and crucially achieve your lifestyle goals. Nevertheless, you should always put in mind that the entire process is just a miracle solution or a walk in the park, but you ought to strictly follow the provided steps and instructions so that you can make the diet a success. For more information on Lean Belly Breakthrough, please click the link below in the description. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button and bell icon for further update, and please do share the comments below. Thank you.